privileges pa. Like yung mga
VIP privileges.
yes,
no?
mga early check-in, late check-out, kapag hotel unit investor ka, pwede yun. Pati yung mga automatic room upgrade. And sabi ko nga, di ba, tayo nakapunta na tayo sa mga hotel sa Clark, Angeles, or even in Manila siguro din. No, na, but here in Central Luzon, wala pa akong na-experience kasi na pagkababa mo ng condo, nandyan na lahat. Di ba? May enjoy mo na lahat yung buong 35 hectares. So, mostly talaga kapag nag-check-in tayo, kung ano lang yung available dun sa hotel building na yun lang, yung may enjoy. So, that's the advantage of Savoy Hotel here as well in Capital Town, Pampanga.
Yung township concept
Totoo.
talaga.
Township concept talaga.
Actually, lahat ng mga clients natin dito, one of the favorite part nila is the walkability. Yun yung term ng isang foreigner na client.
Nag-invest.
Nag-invest walkability. It's all within your reach. Nandyan na kasi yung malls,
Museum, rainwater park, kompleto na,
Kompleto
shop
na.
houses.
And I believe the potential, there will be an international school din dito. Kasi
Hopefully, like in McKinley Hill kasi we have 2 international schools there. So hopefully, pati dito kay San Fernando, magkaroon din tayo. And may mga jogging pads. May mga jogging pads. Yun yung mga jogging pads and biking pads. Yun yung mga gusto ng mga clients din natin. So good thing na consider din ni Mega World dito. So parang di ba, you can enjoy everything talaga inside and outside ng condo mo or ng Savoy Hotel mo.
totoo.
Importante kasi yun, especially a while ago, pinag-usapan natin ba, health, lifestyle,
Tama.
yes. Of course, our investors, all-in-one eh. Their business is here, their needs, andito na, yung commercial needs nila, may bibilin sila, whatever they want, andito na.
Yes.
And
Hindi na
then,
kailangan magsasakyan. Hindi na kailangan ma-experience yung
Yes.
traffic. No? So that's the essence or the importance of living in a township or having an investment inside the township talaga.
Yeah. I 100% agree with you, guys.